Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorials on Linux command. Today we will dive deep into chmod command in Linux. Especially we will focus on how you can manage files and directory permission effectively on a Rocky Linux or any other Linux distribution. Whether you are a system administrator or a developer, understanding file permission is crucial for keeping your system secure and organized. So let's get started. Chmod command stands for a change mode. It allows you to change the permission of files and the directories in Linux. Permission determines who can read, write, or execute files. There are three types of permission: read, write, and execute. As you can see, there are three types of permission: read, write, execute. Read allows viewing the content, write allows modifying the content, execute allows running the file as a program or a script. Permission applies to three categories of user: owner, group, and others. This permission is for the owner, this permission is for the group, and this permission is for the other users, all the other users. Syntax for, let's see the manual page for chmod. Here is the basic syntax. Chmod option space provide the mode space file. Let's break it down with a practical example. Imagine you have a script deploy.sh. Check the permission for deploy.sh. The owner is admin user. It has read and write permission, and the group is admin user. Those who all user are the part of admin user has only the read permission, and for other user who are not a user, who are not a owner or a group, they can only read the deploy.sh file. To make this file executable, we run chmod plus x deploy.sh. Now let's see the permission for deploy.sh. Earlier we were not having execute permission for any users. Now you can see here for owner we have execute permission, for group we have execute permission, and for other user we have execute permission. So this command adds execute permission for everyone. Now you can run the script by using /deploy.sh. Like this you can run the script after providing a execute permission. But what if you want only the owner to have a execute permission while keeping other restricted? So for that what we can do, run chmod keep keep owner with execute permission, and for group and other user remove the execute permission. I'm using minus x space followed by deploy.sh. Now let's see the permission for deploy.sh. Earlier group and other user were having execute permission. Now we have removed the execute permission for group and other user. So permission can also be set using octal values, which are faster for experienced user. Each permission has a corresponding numbers. For read we have, let me open the text file. For read, that is R symbol is a 4. For write, W 2, and execute X. So the permission can only set using octal values. Each permission has the corresponding numbers. For read 4, for write 2, and execute 1. Combine these number to set the desired permission. Let's say you want the owner to have read, write, and execute permission, and everyone else to have only the read permission. So for that, what we do, we use chmod plus 754 deploy.sh. So let's copy this and paste it on the terminal. So here you can see we have given 754 for deploy.sh. So 7 determines, let's go to the text editor. 7 determines for the owner we provided 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 7, and for group we have given 4 plus 0 plus 1, which has the read and execute permission. For other user we have given only the 4, that is read only. So like this we can provide the permission in octal values. So the next is, let's look at some real world use case for chmod for securing configuration files. Imagine you have a configuration file db underscore config.conf file that you should only be readable by the owner. So let me create this file. See the default permission after creating this file. Now the owner has read and write permission, and the other user has the read permission, and group has the read permission, and other user has the read permission. So what I will do, chmod 600 db config.conf file. So check the permission. So I have removed the read permission from group and other user. This ensures that only the owner can read and write to the file while others have no access. So let's see the next one. Setting directory permission to allow user to list and access files in a shared directory / shared data, but not modify them. So for that, let me create mkdir shared underscore data. This is a directory. This is a directory shared data ls-ld. So here you can see the permission. The user is root to allow user to list and access files in a shared directory, but not to modify them. So for that, use sudo, because owner is root. So I am the admin user. So I am using sudo here. chmod 755 / shared data. Let's see the permission, what it has changed. So here you can see, to modify we don't have the right permission for the shared data for group users and for other users. So if you want to provide a recursive permission, if you need to apply permission to all the files and subdirectories under the directory in the parent directory. So for that, what we do, let me create a directory mkdir project underscore directory. I created this directory. See the permissions. Assume there are multiple directory within the project underscore directory, and I want to give same permission to all the files and subdirectories within the project directory. So what will be the command? Use chmod -r 750 / 750 project underscore directory. So like this we can, this is especially useful when setting up a project environments with a specific access requirement. Use recursive permission for that, for multiple files and directories. After running chmod, you typically won't see any output if the command is successfully executed. However, if you encounter an error, it might look like this. Example, let me create a file, secure file, and now I will give the permission. I want to change the permission like chmod, give 600 to the secure file. So you, like this you will get the error. This means you don't have sufficient privileges. To fix this, run this command with sudo. Now check secure file. Here you can see we have set 600 for secure underscore file permission. And the best practice, before we wrap up, let's see the best practice. Be cautioned with chmod 777. chmod 777. While running this command, it grants full access or full permissions to everyone and can be a security risk. Use numerical values for precision when setting a permission in automated script. Always check permission with ls-l before and after using chmod to ensure correct settings. And that's how you can use chmod command effectively on Rocky Linux or any Linux distribution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.